Hi viewers, welcome to USS Telugu Elite YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss about job searching. Are you in searching for jobs now? However, watch this video. I was provided 44 sites to you. So, some you may know or some you may not know. Okay, let's start the video. All job sites here. Careerbuilder.co.in. Clickjobs.com. Placementpoint.com. Careerpointplacement.com. Timesjobs.com. Naukari.com. Gulftalent.com. మరికొన్ని చూద్దాం. jobs.oneindia.com, freshesworld.com, freejobalert.com, recruitmentnews.in, firstnaukari.com, freshnaukari.com, freshindiajobs.com, freshesopenings.in, freshesrecruitment.in, Chennai freshesjobs.com, governmentjobs.allindianjobs.in, timesjobs.com, sarkariexam.co.in, governmentjobs.net.in, Do you like this video? However, please share this video to all your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching this video.